Hi, my name is Emily Wills. I'm a sophomore at Clover Hill High School, and my experiment tested the effect of various cooling fabrics on temperature reduction in a simulated heated environment, modeling the human body. In short, it was about seeing if specialized cooling towels were more effective than damp washcloths for cooling saline bags. It's important to test these effects because cooling towels could potentially be used to prevent heat illnesses like heat stroke and hyperthermia. My hypothesis stated that the cooling towel would decrease the temperature of the saline bags more than the hand towel. And what's cool about this project is that not only did we measure the core temperatures of the saline bags, we also recorded the surface temperatures. To test this, 3 1-liter saline bags were microwaved in a 1,000-watt microwave for 45 seconds until each bag was at 43 degrees centigrade. They were then placed on heating pads, which were inside of a foil pouch for safety. The heating pads were then turned off, but the bags were not removed. The cooling materials were a cooling towel, regular hand towel, and no towel, which was the control. Each cooling apparatus was placed on its respective bag of saline. 10 milliliters of water was spritzed onto the center of each towel and directly on the saline bag for the control group. And an electric fan was operating at a constant distance of 1.5 meters to help evaporative cooling take place. After 30 minutes, the towels were removed from the saline bags and measurements were immediately taken. We used an infrared thermometer to measure the surface temperature and a meat thermometer to measure the core temperatures, or as a digital thermometer, same thing. We repeated this process 3 times for each cooling method. The constants of this experiment were the towel size, brand of cooling towel, fan strength and distance, temperature of the heating pads, size of saline bags, and volume of water on each towel. The independent variable of the experiment was the cooling method, and the dependent variable was the change in surface and core temperatures in the saline bags. It was determined that for the core temperature, no towel was the most effective, which was actually the control, which was kind of weird, and the washcloth was the least effective cooling method. But for the surface temperature, the cooling towel actually was the most effective, and the washcloth was the least effective method.